will get fixed.
But here it is blackout on site. It's never been possible.
ఈజీగా 1 డేలో అయిపోయే వర్క్ కావాలి మనకి 12 అవర్స్లో.
There is a problem from that side also.
This road is in very bad condition. This road.
Again, there is no.
Very bad. This is black. This is working. This is third.
You are telling in the further.
This is in Vijayawada city. Speed కూడా తగ్గింది అనుకోండి. దగ్గర పెట్టి అది పోలేదు.